is Terry Bates. I'm a senior research associate at Cornell University in the Department of Horticulture. I am also the director of the Cornell Lake Erie Research and Extension Lab in Portland, New York. I am also the project director of Efficient Vineyard, a USDA Specialty Crop Research Initiative funded project in precision viticulture. So my job primarily is, as a viticulturist, to do field trials and test the effect of our viticulture management in the field. As project leader, there are many components to this project, and I try to be the person that ties all those components together. So as a breakdown for the project, we have sensor development. So we want to measure characteristics spatially in the vineyard of soil, canopy, and crop. So we're looking at off-the-shelf sensor technology as well as developing new sensors that look at those characteristics of soil, canopy, and crop that we can map spatially. Steve Nuske is our cooperator at Carnegie Mellon University. He is an engineer and he's working on both developing the technology and integrating off-the-shelf technology into this project. Then, as the sensors collect a lot of spatial data, and there's a lot of data that can come in at particular times of the year, there are statistical techniques and software techniques to manage that spatial data. And James Taylor of Newcastle University is our expert in precision agriculture and dealing with spatial data. So we look to him to process that data in a very efficient and easy to use manner. Con Kurtrell of UC Davis is the viticulturist on this project, responsible for looking at the variable rate management techniques in the vineyards. He's doing field trials in California in table and wine grape vineyards, and we are doing similar type of studies in juice grape vineyards here in New York. So one of the things we're trying to do is we build spatial prescription maps, and then we feed those prescription maps into a field computer, and that field computer will then control our vineyard mechanization equipment. So as a grower drives up and down the row, the mechanization equipment will either speed up or slow down, given whatever treatment we want for that particular zone. And then we test those treatments in the vineyard. So what would be the effect if we had uniformly managed vineyard versus what would be the effect if we had variably managed that vineyard with our equipment. So we're trying to make this variable rate management seamless to the grower. And then of course that should have an economic impact in terms of either yield or quality or lowering production costs. And Julian Alston from UC Davis is our economist on this project, who's looking at the impact of variable rate management on the economics of vineyard systems. And then finally, we want to extend the technology to the grower. Tim Weigel is New York State IPM grape specialist and the team leader of the extension team of this project. And we are building a project website. We have sent out surveys. We are looking at grower conferences to extend the information that we learned from this project out to the growers. So from sensor development to data analysis to variable rate management in the field, analyzing economically the impact of that variable rate management and then extending the information to our growers is kind of everything we're trying to do in the project. And my role in that project is to try to tie it all together.